Welcome to RedTeam Go. I'm George. We're assembling the proposal package to send to the project owner. First, let's look at the default proposal package in the admin section. This sets the items you want to include in every project. These items can be removed in each project, but this adds items to start with. We'll see how to add and remove items in the project, and it works the same in the default. When opening the proposal package, you may get a warning message about the owner info or $0 cost codes on the worksheet. Make any needed corrections before sending the proposal package. To remove items, you can use the trash can, or for multiple items, click the boxes and go to Delete Pages. Add items by clicking Insert and selecting from the drop-down. If the cover sheet and personal letter are used, they will be grayed out. Files allows you to upload PDFs. An example would be your CV or resume. Reports lets you select from the project reports. Again, click on the items on the right side to remove, and items from the left side will be added when clicked. Click Save when you've selected all the reports to add. The documents can be rearranged by left-click and hold. The personal letter can be edited by clicking the pencil icon on the bottom. You can edit the text, and items from the left side can be placed anywhere. These pull info from the project to populate the light blue fields. The default can be restored, and back to page takes you to the proposal package. If you choose the scope of work and expanded division report, they can be edited from the bidding tab. We'll start with scope of work. Clicking on the general note shows notes already added. Click the blue plus sign to add a new note. There are several default notes available. You can review the note by clicking the blue title, change the note, or just save and apply. To create a new note, click Create New. You have the option to save this note by checking the box and giving the note a title. Save and apply, or apply a new to create another note. You can add notes by clicking Apply, change the order of the notes, or delete with the icons on the right. Exclusions and qualifications works the same. The last item is the trade notes. These are taken from the bidding worksheet and must be created there to populate the scope of work. The scope of work is ready for the proposal package. The appearance of the expanded division report is changed from here. If the division is closed here, it will be closed in the proposal package. Open a division by clicking the division title. All of the cost codes will be shown for this division in the proposal. Click on Action to preview the report with or without profit. This is an auto save, so you can leave when you're done. Back to the proposal. We are ready to send this to the owner. Check the default recipient. The drop-down shows any owner reps available. You can review the proposal by clicking Print. Open the pop-up file. This is the order and appearance of the proposal. The proposal package can be printed or downloaded from here. The final step is to change the project status from bidding to pending. This will lock the bidding tools, so no changes can be made. Now we're waiting on a response from the owner. For more information on the proposal package, you have the tour feature on many of these pages. And for this and all RedTeam Go questions, go to the Learning Center from the Profile tab in the right corner. Thank you.